Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love chicken, I love crispy chicken, and I decided to do up this air fryer crispy popcorn chicken. Just wonderful. You can use it for movie night, parties, ball games, whatever you like. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So what I have here are 3 chicken thighs. I've removed the bone. Like, you can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, whatever part of the chicken you like. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut them the other way. And you want them the size of like a popcorn, because it's popcorn chicken. Now we're going to add our chicken into a bowl. Okay, let's begin seasoning our chicken up with, I'd say about half a teaspoon of salt. You don't want too much, it'll be way too salty. Some pepper, and I say in most of my videos I'm a pepper lover, so I'm going to add quite a bit. A teaspoon of that wonderful smoked paprika. Now you can add more if you want to, it's entirely up to you. But I found a teaspoon is pretty good. A quarter teaspoon of cayenne. Just gives it some extra kick and brings out the heat. Now if you don't want this, you can simply leave it out. A few drops or a quarter teaspoon of fish sauce. Now you might have to go down to the dock and get a fish to get this. A few drops of lime juice, just to bring out that acid. Or you can use lemon juice too. A tablespoon of cornstarch. Now guys, this might seem like quite a bit, but you should have it all in your pantry. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you can use any kind of oil you want, I just like olive oil. And a mixing we will go until it's well combined. I think this is going to be so incredibly good. Well, I know it is because I've made it before, so... And we're going to dredge each one, you pretty much have to do this one by one, into half a cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to set each piece aside in my air fryer basket. Then I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer, set it to 400, and we're going to air fry this for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip it over. By the way, I'd like to do a shout out to one of our best fans, RA from Silang Cavite in the Philippines. He watches our videos all the time. So hi RA, and thanks for watching, and you have a great day. After 15 minutes, I'm going to pull the basket out, and look at that. Doesn't that look incredible? So we're going to flip them over and fry them for an additional 8 minutes at the same temperature on the other side. After a total of 23 minutes, just look at these. Don't they look incredible? They're done and we're ready to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and set these aside in a basket. And there you have it, guys, our delicious popcorn chicken. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Guys, this is so good. It's crispy, crunchy, the chicken is tender, the spices are wonderful, the kick of the cayenne, the paprika. I just love it. You got to make this. You can do it with any sauce. You can use ketchup, but I find the sauce isn't necessary. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.